This is a 4 transistor amplifier circuit. There are 4 transistors. 2 are positive, another 2 are negative. These 2 are positive. C 5200, and these 2 are negative. A 1943. This is the driver transistor for negative section. A 940. This on the driver transistor for positive transistor. C 2073. These 2 are driver transistor. You can see here is the positive voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. We can see the negative sign here. This is negative side. This is negative side. We can see the capacitor leg, negative leg are connected with this side. This is the negative side, and this is the positive side. Positive voltage will be here. We can see the capacitor positive leg connect with this side. This is the positive transistor. 2 transistors are positive. C5200. Now this is the speaker output. We can see the resistor. These 4 resistors, white color, are for the speaker output. Come from the transistor emitter. And this is input. Audio input is here. Audio input is here. Now I am going to connect the transistor. I already set up. This is the negative, to the 2 was a positive. These 2 are 5200, and these 2 are A 1943. Right. I am fixing the transistor. We have to must use the separator with the heatsink. I already use. Now I am soldering the transistor with circuit. I am soldering the transistor with the circuit. Must solder nicely. Be careful about short circuit. It's very common circuit. If you want this circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There have the comment for this circuit diagram. Now I am going to check this circuit. It's complete. Now with the voltage, I bring my transformer. This transformer is very useful to me. It has 25 voltage and 50 voltage. I always check using this transformer. This is the negative voltage. The black wire is the negative voltage. The black wire is the negative voltage, and this is the positive voltage. The red color wire is the positive voltage, and the white one is the ground. You can see the whole round are ground. Circuit whole round are ground. Now check this circuit and plug in. Okay, LED plug. Or is my meter? Okay. First, I'm going to check the voltage. This is the ground. The positive 26.5, negative 26.5. Output has no voltage, so circuit is okay. If output got voltage, then circuit has problem. Output has no voltage. AC voltage can out. No AC voltage. Look, when I touch the input, must come voltage. Look, I'm touching the input, the voltage coming out. AC voltage. That means circuit is okay. AC voltage coming out from the output. AC voltage coming out from the output. That means circuit is fully okay. Now I am going to check using one speaker. First disconnect the cable. AC plug is the ground for the speaker. This is the speaker output line. This is the speaker output line. Now I am going to check. Look, I plug in. I'm touching the input. Look, it's playing. That means speaker making noise. Speaker making noise. That means the circuit is okay. Speaker making noise when you're touching the input. That means circuit is okay. Now I will play a song. Wait for a while, please. I'm going to play a song. If you want this circuit diagram, please visit the comment link. There are the link to get this circuit. Very easy circuit you can make. Now I am going to put the audio. I'm so sorry I cannot play the song because of the YouTube copyright issue. I can I can show you, but I cannot play. It's the volume. Look, the song is playing. Song is playing. I'm so sorry I cannot play the song for this case. This is very useful speaker for me. Every time I test using this speaker, this is a four layer coil speaker. Four layer, 50 watt. The speaker is 50 watt, four layer coil, 8 ohms. For this case, I can check anywhere. This is speaker. Thank you for watching the video. If you want the circuit diagram, please check the comment link. This circuit is very easy and nice sound. The components are so small, not too much. Thank you for watching. If you can use to heatsink for this driver transistor, must use to driver transistor. It's good for driver transistor.